Meaning of escaped.
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 Escaped. The term escaped refers to the act of getting away or breaking free from a particular situation, place or person. It implies that a person or thing has managed to evade or avoid some kind of danger, confinement, or control. The consequences of escaping can vary depending on the context and circumstances of the situation. In some cases, it may lead to freedom and relief from oppression or harm, while in others, it may result in negative consequences such as legal repercussions or increased danger.